Let's jump right into this brow tutorial. We have a clean brow, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is start outlining your brows. I normally start from the bottom and then I work my way up to the top. And I'm going to use a very, very light strokes when it comes to outlining my brows. And I never start from the beginning. I'm normally right before the beginning or middle. And I work my way down. Remember this part, it do not have to be perfect because you're gonna fix it with your concealer. So just remember that. Just fill it in to the best of your ability. Yay! Here's the fun part. So because LA Girl Pro Concealer has an applicator on it, you can use the applicator to outline your brows without using a brush. That's one step you do not have to take. So you take that one and you just make light strokes outlining your brows. Go very slow and just make sure that your hand is very steady. If you need to, lay your elbow on top of something. Make sure your hand is very steady and just outline. And as you see, I did not start from the beginning of my brow. Just remember, work from the back and bring it forward if you have to. But that step definitely helps with creating a very natural brow. And as you see now, I'm bringing that concealer down because it's going to make it very easy for me to blend it out with my brush without caking it all the way up to my brow line. I do not want to cake it. I want to blend it out. And please remember, we are not in a marathon, so you do not have to be in a rush. Please take your time. If you feel like you messed up, there's always room for correction and you can always fix it. Just get your brow and refill in the lines and then just go back over it with your concealer. Now it's time to blend out the concealer. We're going to use the $1 Wet n Wild blending brush. And what I like to do with this brush is I like to start blending down and blend outwards. We want to blend this so seamless so that when you apply your entire concealer to your lid, everything is seamless and your eyeshadow just blends right in. Our last and final step is to simply blend it out with a spoolie. Use these. Oh my god, it helps. It makes it so natural. Blend, it looks like hair. Very beautiful. So just continue to blend until you love that brow. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you were able to accomplish this look. Thank you again, and I hope this video was very helpful. And here's the final look. I did record this look, so stay tuned to next week's video for the 2020 fall makeup look.